What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I've got a 04 GMC I'm working on for a customer. He's got LEDs installed now, and his turn signal is Hyperflash, so we got to change that relay out. It's really simple on these trucks. You will have to have the key, remove this bezel, the bottom, this side piece, and right here is going to be where it is. Super easy to get to. I'll show you what it looks like and how to get to it, but we want to eliminate this problem because we don't want to burn up these LEDs or cause any issues. So this is the part that the customer ordered right here. I'll leave a link in the description. We're also going to verify that the pins are correct before installing or attempting to install. So let's go ahead and get this part out. Tools you're going to need really is only a 7mm, but having a panel removal tool does make things a little bit easier on certain aspects. So the first step in this process is let's go ahead and pop this off. Set it to the side. You could leave that on, but sometimes you need to get in there. Next, we're going to remove these two 7mm right here. Now that those two are removed, we're going to go ahead and remove this dash bezel right here. All right, so time to remove the radio and dash bezel. First, push the parking brake down, put the key in, turn it on, but don't crank it. Drop the gear down to 1. And now we're going to very gently pull on the dash and it'll come out. Now, I'll need 2 hands to get this out. So, I'm going to drop the steering wheel. And actually, I was able to get it out one-handed. Set that over to the side. Now, we've got the steering wheel raised back up. Those bolts are out. We can go ahead and remove this panel. This panel removes is it pulls out. And as you can see, we've got some wires from a previous install that are just hanging out. And this is a perfect time to clean those up. So now that that's out of the way, we can actually see right here is the relay. So go ahead, put the truck back in park, turn it off, set the key over there, and now we can pull this out. All right. So I suppose somebody could get their hand up in here and pull this out. I'm not that flexible, so I definitely can't. Now, we're going to go ahead and just wiggle it out. All right, so this one was in there. It's the original GM one. And it was in there, so I had to use a pair of pliers to hold on to it. I just couldn't get a grip on it without gloves. So, now we'll check the pin out. Pin out looks to be right. All right, let's install a new one. All right, new one's installed. Moment of truth. So far, so good. Oh yeah, much better. Let's check the back. Backs are working. Strips working. New strips getting installed. All right, now it's just reassembling, putting everything back together. And I got a few wires that the customer wants removed anyway, so go ahead and remove these and catch y'all in the next one. And for anybody that's wondering, you will put this piece on first, followed by the bezel, followed by the side piece, and you're good to go. Guys, this is a friendly reminder. If you've never worked on anything like this before, whenever you have your key and you're working with electronics, make sure to roll a window down in case the door closes and locks. Chevys are notorious for this happening, and then you're locked out of your vehicle. So just be careful, roll down a window. It doesn't take but a second, and it can prevent you from having to call a locksmith or go run and try to find a spare set of keys.